God we trust, we are hell truckers. We drive on the highway to heaven, that's the way we go to heaven. We are looking for money on highway, for the wife at home, for my child, for my family. Because it's like being on the highway to heaven. In God's it's like being on the highway to heaven. In God we trust, we believe in peace. We drive on the highway to heaven, that's the way we go to heaven. Hell Truckers Empire, Electrical Empire, Trade Heller on the highway to heaven, on the line to heaven.